Why does the world need engineering?
It's down to the engineer to look at every millimetre.
Literally going down to the atomic scale and building up.
From research and development to design and manufacture.
To constantly question,
how can we sustain the growing population of the world?
How can engineers provide assistance to the people that need it?
We need to be able to bring people together with a range of different skills.
We need to think outside the box.
we strive for the best, although we may not always achieve it.
You're looking at all these parts and you have no idea if it's going to come together.
We try.
Bring that together into one vision.
And you get the car and it fires, it makes it all worth it.
Engineering isn't just maths and sitting in front of a computer.
We can do things that have never been done before, and we're able to solve these gigantic issues.
Whether energy production,
combustion chemistry,
3D print bones to cure worldwide diseases such as osteoporosis,
nanotechnology,
renewable energy sources,
or strengths of materials.
I want to be part of the engineering future.
To make everyone else's life better.
It's a great adventure to be part of.
That's engineering, that's our job.